Welcome to ARKU, a family business with nearly 100 years of tradition in metal processing and machine building. We level and deburr sheet metal and provide parts handling solutions. Our commitment? Precision and innovation in sheet metal processing for our customers worldwide. ARKU machines improve the quality of your metal while simultaneously increasing your process reliability during production. Whether thin sheet metal or heavy-duty plate, small or large burrs, our efficient deburring machines create smooth and burr-free metal on both sides in a single pass. We are the innovation and world market leader for precision levelers. Our levelers ensure stress-relieved and flat sheet metal parts coming from stamping, laser, and flame cutting processes. Even for high-strength materials and demanding complex geometries. Long service life, constant efficiency. That's what our coil lines stand for. These lines ensure reliable coil processing for stamping presses, laser cutting machines, and entry lines for roll forming. Close to our customers and globally networked, with headquarters in Baden-Baden, Germany, and subsidiaries in Kunshan, China, and Cincinnati, USA, we cover markets in over 30 countries. ARKU customers benefit from professional expertise in contract leveling with state-of-the-art high-performance machines at all 3 locations. With an additional location in Buhl, Germany, we've doubled our production and storage capacities and can therefore deliver even faster. We provide support from planning and installation all the way through production support, training, and maintenance. Extensive spare parts, service and repair, comprehensive from a single source. The stability and success of our company rests on the shoulders of the people who give their best every day. Their commitment, creativity, and dedication make us a strong partner for you. ARKU, technology made with passion. Those who stop improving have already stopped being good.